You can see the Cactus Jack logo, or the Cactus Corporation. Sorry, golly. What's good, y'all? Welcome back, and you just watched up on the GameShore. And today we have a very special episode. This is the second episode of Hype Unboxings per GameShore. And today, as y'all could see, we have a Travis Scott shoe. And again, shout out Trade Block. That's how we got this trade. And you know, it might have been a little one-sided, but you know, that's what happens when you just want some shoes. But you know, it's not about the money for me, it's more about the wearability. Always remember that, bars. And shout out to the trader. But here's the trade that I did, and let me know in the comments if you know you like this trade or if not. But obviously, as you can see, they're here. And to get started off from the box, you can see it's a very simple, normalistic box. You do have Cactus Jack. Cactus Jack logos are on the box, some Nike ones, Cactus Corporation. There's a hang tag, don't mind it, you know, it gets used, you know, that happens. But going inside, we again have very plain wrapper, but once we get into the shoes, we have a pair of Air Max Saturn Golds. Yes, sir. And as y'all could see, comes with some brown laces. I prefer the laces it has right now just because it has more of a better quality and more type of versatility, because I like this type of lace where it has, you know, like construction slash adventure, like in a forest type of material, if that makes sense, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But as we get started, you can see the Cactus Jack logo, or the Cactus Corporation. Sorry, golly, have so many things. But yes, I feel like the materials on these are pretty interesting, especially with the swoosh. It has a very like plasticky slash, if y'all remember, if y'all really like that, if you know how there was shoe cleaners back in Foot Locker with a scrub at the very top where you would put the cream and then you would put the cap and go like this. That's what this reminds me of. If y'all got that, y'all some G's, y'all know what's up. If not, dang, y'all some hype beasts. Now I'm just playing. But you can see in the heel, we have the Cactus Jack, as well as a, not even like finger holder, but just, you know, a tab right there. We have a crossed out air bubble right here, but we do see the shade into the midsole, and then we do have an all brown or dark brown outsole, which I find interesting. Nice color coordination right there, and the material is very nice, interesting. If you could see, it's like a mesh type of material, but then there is sway. All this is suede, which is nice, I feel, because it's very buttery. So, you know, if y'all are looking for those types of shoes, definitely with the Saturn Golds, especially right now in the market, they're going around like $300, which I feel like is a good price for some Travis Scotts. And I think they might even be going up in value, you know, in the next couple months, years, etc. But, you know, you should get them right now if you can. But, you know, can't complain. Next, moving on into the left shoe, we have same materials. You know, won't repeat so much, but Cactus Jack right here in the insole. But you know, these are very interesting pair, because I do know that you need to know how to rock your shoes to know how to rock these. And judging from this, I don't think a lot of people are gonna be able to rock these. But you know, I'm D Kerr, I'm like different, right? So I think for these, the best thing you could do is maybe some cargo pants, some military pants, and like a black shirt with, you know, some hints of blue, or not blue. Yeah, blue, given that the logo right here. But some hints of blue, or maybe hints of greens, like a vintage WWDX shirt, you know, just concepts, you know, that could be terrible for your taste, but, you know, just giving you ideas. But yeah, I mean, hopefully y'all like this quick little snippet. I definitely love these shoes, you know, I wouldn't trade them for the world, unless they're like for the other Travis Scott Air Maxes, which are amazing. So that's the goal, or the next goal on Trade Block. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you like about it, what you don't, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Peace.